And they don't ever judge me on my welds, but these ones I did more freehand, so it's not as good on these ones. I mean, that one's pretty good. This one's also not too good, but there we are. Sorry I didn't get me putting on the wheels, but I put extra angle iron because it was rusting off. But this is way better work height. So I don't really think I got what I was gonna do. So we're fixing my welding table because it's not that good. We're gonna add steel plate at the bottom, and then up here, and then have shelves for welding rods. Yeah, let's get on to it. get this stupid piece of metal underneath. So, see, over here it will go. I can't show you right now, but it will go back. But over here, on the other hand, it's too long, so we're gonna have to torch it. But first, we gotta put new bottom on here. Weird how dark it got just because of the how long that takes, but yeah, pretty good torch kit for me. I'm not that good. But yeah, let's see how it fits now. Well, that fits pretty good now. No, it's hard to see because of the light. But yeah, now all we gotta do is tack that in, and then we can work on building the shelf, and we'll be done. Alright guys, so a little something you guys should get if you guys do welding. It's like the Harbor Freight Hercules surface conditioner. Makes cleaning metal way easier than a grinder. Not sponsored, but I thought it's a really good tool, so put that in there. But yeah guys, like I said, the Harbor Freight Hercules surface conditioner really makes it way easier if you do large amounts of grinding, and I would highly recommend getting one if you do a lot of grinding and that stuff. But yeah, just about all my tools are from Harbor Freight. I think the only one I don't have from there is a bandsaw, but I have the bandsaw stand. It makes it a big difference too. But Harbor Freight, I don't see any sponsors for me. I think you should really do it. So please sponsor me. One thing I find funny here is you can't really see it, but I try to tack this plate on, but I keep getting a big gap in the front, and I spent about an hour looking for it, and you see me trying to push it down with the forks, and after a while I figure out that it was just sitting on the angle iron up front, and I felt really stupid and pushed it back, and it fit perfectly. You guys missed it just by a little bit because my phone shut off because it died. But just as I was welding the other side, I must have was using my welder for too long, and it flipped the breaker, and it just went pitch black in there.
Tomorrow.
Well, guys, we kind of got at least we got the table on wheels, and we have the plate on the bottom now. It's a little bit better. Now we're gonna have to make this shelf right here, and do a little bit more torch cutting today, so let's get into it. Yeah, that was actually a really good cut, straightest one I've ever done. Very clean, but now because, well, the first one I cut, I thought I measured right, but I cut it wrong. But I might be able to put that one over here because I can't put it as high because of the wood. So, I might still be able to use that one. Now here's a little bit of me trying to get hearing loss. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to get that plate ready for my shelf. So I don't really have anything to hold it on there, so I'm going to use the fork, and I'm going to set the plate on the fork and then tack it on. And then I can pull the forks away and weld it the rest of the way. If you guys watch my videos, I had a short where I fell into a hole with a 4440. But I done something way worse before. It was a little bit before we were gonna do hay, so we were I was gonna move the 4450, which has the disc mower on it, to face down the hill. And I had my hay raking tractor on the bottom. And I faced it down the hill and I pushed in the clutch. But the split brakes weren't put together. So whenever I hit one brake, I hit the left one, and it didn't stop, and it kept going straight. And I didn't think I had any time to hit the other one, so I just tried to ride it out. And the disc mower hit the other mower. So, yeah, it didn't break anything, luckily, but... Well, guys, sorry there's a mower in the back, but I think we're done. I will add, I mean, there's the shelf and that stuff. But I will add probably a little handle on this side, make it easier to move, and I can hang clamps on it. Other than that, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. And see you in the next one.